Welcome to the demo video of app Google Game Changer. Our intent and vision of the app Game Changer is twofold. Number one, create a social platform that's anchored by local sporting events and activities, and thereby allow hobby players to easily discover local sporting events, local facilities, teams, and individuals to play with. And number two, build a sporting ecosystem that helps connect local level talented sports person with national level sports authority and agent. And by doing so, create a level playing field for all, irrespective of geography or socio-economic rank an individual belongs to. With that as background, we have identified four central characters or users of this app. Number one, sports person or a player. Number two, event organizers. Number three, sports officials. And number four, sports agents. What you see on the screen is the home screen for the first time user of this app. After user selects a role, user will be presented with role relevant screen to create profile. After profile creation, second and subsequent times, user will be presented with content feed as per the preferences specified at the time of profile creation. For a player, here are the fields that a user will have to key in as part of profile creation. Primarily, they'll have to enter their personal information, sporting related details, and finally, they can choose from the list of subscription items like tournaments, nearby facilities, coaching camps, talks and other events, sport buddies, anything and everything that they are interested in. For an organizer, they will be, while at the time of creation of profile, they will be even able to add an event or create a new event. Now, assuming I created my profile as a player, my content feed would look something like this. UI is very similar to how information is grouped and presented on Play Store app. As you can see on the top, the title tells about all the things that I have subscribed for: news feed and events, public post, nearby facilities, and sport buddies. All the information is presented in a fashion which is very easy to consume. Each of the subscribed category will have its own set of actions. For example, local events can be marked as favorite. I can even add it to my calendar, or if I have been to this event, I can publish a post about this event. If I need more details about this event, I can get in touch with the event organizer. On the public post, I can mark, I see the listing of various tournaments that are happening there, and if I am keen on following any particular event, I can give it a thumbs up. I can mark it as my favorite event, or I can even share it with my friends. On this particular screen, clicking on a particular event would show me the pictures, videos, write-ups of that particular event. The other subscription is for the nearby facilities. What I see here is all the facilities which are near my location, the listing of all the facilities relevant to the sport that I play, and this would act like a one-stop shop where I can reserve the facility, or I can even get in touch with the facility manager. I can even mark this facility as my favorite facility, so that any event, any activity happening at this event, I could get a consistent feed of that particular location. The next one is the listing of all the sport buddies. This is basically the listing and profile of all the sports individuals who have interest in the similar sport as mine. I can view their profile, or I can contact them, or I can flag them as needed. For an organizer, home screen would look something like this, wherein they will be able to see all the listing of the things that they have subscribed for, and at the same time they can either create or edit an event, or they can send out the mass notification to all the participants for the events that they have created, or they can publish tournament results, scorecards, or the post about the event. So this screen for organizers would act as a one-stop shop for the events that they want to create and manage. All this will be tightly integrated with the players whose profile exists on the app, so that every time a particular individual participates in an event, his stat history keeps on building depending on the events that this person is participating in. Sports officials will get a feed of leading player profiles. They will have the ability to contact players directly. They can have option to star mark the players and compare the stats. So as you can see, this is the screen that will be presented to the sports official or sports agent. They can also look at the leaderboard across tournaments at the national level or at a regional level. This will help them easily identify all the talented individuals, and they can easily get in touch with them, help them hone their skills, and help them come to the next level. Finally, we believe local sporting landscape has the potential to help local business and build better communities. This app is only a proof of concept, and only a company like Google can embrace undertaking of this scale and impact. Thanks for watching this video.